welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another makeup look and I am definitely trying to give you all type of colors before spring gets here. As promised, I want to give you guys a look using each shade from my lipstick collection, just to give you guys hints and ideas of how you could rock your lipstick. For those of you who've already purchased, let me know what colors you have. I can definitely jump to those colors first if you need me to. If you have not purchased, what are you waiting for? Today's look is going to be featured around Berry Sweet. Berry Sweet is just a nice deep berry color. Not quite purple, not quite pink. It's like the two married each other and had a baby. Also did another video for the face part. If you guys don't know how to shade match your foundations, especially the drugstore foundation, I'll have another video uploaded after this one showing you how to shade match drugstore foundations, just giving you tips and tricks, and it's going to be beginner friendly. So if you're interested for that video, stick around. It'll be uploaded probably Saturday. I'm shooting for Saturday. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Stay flawless, boo. Alright, so the first color I want to use is this one right here. It's called Vampy Vixen. And of course that is going to be that warm transition color that I love to put in the crease. And I'm just using a fluffy blending brush. This is the Sedona, tongue twisted. This is the Sedona Lace Brush number 863. I'm going to go in my next color, which is this one right here. This one is called Sweet Beets. And I'm using a smaller tapered brush. So we just want to go just below the other color, or the first color we applied in the crease. You just want to go just below that. Not quite all the way up to the brow bone. And I'm just staying right in the crease area. I'm also going to take that color and pack it right on the outer part of the eye. I'm also going to pack it on the inner part of the eye. And we're going to leave the center part of the eye open. Alright, blend some more. Blend some more. Blend till you can't blend no more. Our lid color, of course, is going to be this beautiful shimmery color right here. This one is called Color Persona. Of course, I like to apply shimmery or glitter eyeshadows wet. I'm going to wet my brush and dip into that color, and we're going to apply it right on the lid. I'm not going to apply it anywhere else but on the lid where we did not apply the eyeshadow, so right in the center. See how nice and glossy it is. I'm just taking a clean brush to blend around the edges here, just to soften up that crease. Just a blend between the brow and the crease color. I want it to be a clean blend. I used to put highlight colors on the brow bone and everything like that. I'm kind of like, I don't know, steered away from it. I just like a clean brow, like a clean faded brow. Underneath the eyes, we're going to go back with the same colors we used in the beginning. I'm going to go in with the pencil brush and apply this underneath the eyes. I like to apply my mascara before I apply my false lashes, simply because, especially if you're wearing like mink strip lashes, you don't want the product buildup on your lashes. So I just like to apply the mascara first, while the lash glue is drying or getting tacky on the strip lash. Just do this part first and let it dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara to my bottom lashes. Alright, so lipstick. Yes, yes, please. For my lip pencil, I'm going to use the Iman Perfect Lip Pencil. I'm going to use this to line my lips. My lips are so like dry right now. Oh my gosh. I did not put any highlighter or anything on. No highlighter. No highlighter. Stop the press. Get Ofra Blind Haters. I just love, I just love this highlighter. I love it so much. And you blinding the haters, literally. Just so beautiful and subtle. For my lipstick, I'm going to apply Berry Sweet by the Stacye collection. Get into some springish colors for you guys. It is a matte color. Yes, please. I'm not really a blush person, but I will wear the heck out of some bronzer. Let's see, my medium to dark palette. We're gonna go dark this time because I just want a little bit of this darker color, just to bronze it up just a little bit more. Yes, please.